what it feels like to have your body so close. Let me absolve you of the past that controls you. Controls you. I just wanna know without a weight on your soul.
तो हम लोग यहाँ पर एक प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हैं। 3 ये बॉक्सेस रेडी हो चुके हैं और इधर
You never let it in. Well, I guess it's your right, but Vegas been never my type, and I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night. Then you came in my life.
Hello car, hello car, hello car, hello car, hello car, hello car.
Longer than only a season, and you didn't break me. You came to pick up the piece. Perfect to me, and lately I'm believing in love. You are. Oh wait, building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face, told me focus.
I'ma kill you with that. I'ma kill you with that. Here's your head. Sorry, see it.
There's an army of fighting around your heart. Let me disarm you. 'Cause baby, I just wanna love who you really are. So let me disarm you. There's an army of fighting around your heart. Let me disarm you. 'Cause baby, I just wanna love who you really are.
And I love it when you take it all off of me. You laugh in a sense that you're insecure. Can't tell what he did before to make you feel like you're less, you're more. Your clothes are floor. I guess I got a glass full of feelings that I overpour. And I can't handle my liquor. We get love drunk and we keep getting sicker. I tell you you're worth it, and something gets triggered, you start crying. Like Mark, why you lying? Your beautiful body and mind. You're rolling your eyes. I get that you're trying. See, lately my heart is surrounded by lines. But if you have time, I would love for you to bear with me. Look up at the stars and just stare with me. Travel around the world through the air with me. I just wanna be with someone that'll care with me, there with me when it all comes crumbling down. And pick up all the parts of me you see on the ground. I gave him all of me and he was fucking around. Look longer than nasty, how I'm supposed to pick and they pounds, damn. I know you're feeling distant, saying men are all the same, I can tell you different. No, I don't deserve a chance, but you down listen. A broke rapper with a dream and a grand vision. I'm damn driven and you know that I'm believing in you. You focus on the things you said you never could do. You focus on the drama, all you need is the truth. And you to see what I see in you, if only I could too. I don't wanna be a memory, wanna wake up and see you next to me. Wanna dream bigger, better legacy. I know I'm more than open sesame, but if you wanna break the code, you get the best of me. It's when you said to me, yeah, it's when you said to me.
Let me disarm you. There's an army of fighting around your heart. Let me disarm you. 'Cause baby, I just wanna love who you really are. Let me disarm you. There's an army of fighting around your heart. Let me disarm you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step